Well guys, we made it all the way down here to Morris. We got the bus set up. We got the Coors Light tent set up. We got the car unloaded. See the car? And we've already had a talking to by tech saying how hard tomorrow's gonna be for us. So kind of excited about that. I've already had, I'm gonna say 4 people offer me torches because I think this car is very well known down here. So I just told them you might not have to worry about me at tech tomorrow because I just broke an axle. I unloaded from the trailer, drove it here, and proceeded to break an axle. So we are off to a fantastic start. So I think there is a way to fix this. So I got to plan this accordingly because I only have 4 batteries because I forgot my battery charger. So because of the rush I was under to build this thing, apparently that stud has seen better days. So apparently the rush I was under, I guess I didn't test run this thing because, yeah, already. Great day. I didn't bring spares.
I hope it goes back in.
I fucking hope it does too. I'm already the talk of the town, guys. But there has been a lot of people that have actually messaged the promoter about this car. The promoter told me, he's already come up to me and said, I've had a lot of messages about your car. Tomorrow is going to be hard. So I've already expect tomorrow not to be a great overall day. And the way that today's going, it took me 11 hours to get here. Mostly just because of a lot of little stops to get here. But I don't know. We're going to figure this out. Let's hope this axle's okay. Okay. So, where's my spacer? Did I not put spacers inside this? Maybe that's the issue right there. Let's get a measurement. There's a lot of stuff that I'm not like. I don't have a measuring tape. Yeah, let's go for a drive. So here's basically where we are with this. I drove off the trailer and I pulled an axle out of the transmission. So far I've re-drilled my ball joints, moved them in. I bought hood washers off of Jeffy. Oh yeah, this one too. This one too. Oh my goodness. Bought hood washers off Jeffy, and then I installed the hood washers, and then moved the ball joints in. This is absolute crap. So this is not how I wanted to start my meltdown for 2026 is not like this, I'll tell you that. Oh. Maybe a measuring tape, and I've broken all the tips off my step bits except for one. So now I drill them with one step bit and then switch to the broken ones.
So what do you need other than a pipe for your axles and torches? That's my torches already loaded.
All right, you got a good cutting head on them?
I just bought a brand new one.
Okay, perfect. I think I have to move my motor to the driver's side, so I'll have to elongate all the motor mounts and then bolt all those back down. It's gonna be a shitty day. Maybe some wrenches. I only brought sockets.
I have some wrenches. What size do you need? I have
17 and 19, I believe.
Okay.
And I think that's about it. Yeah, so basically we're having to tighten up the front end on this before we even make it to the track, which is honestly freaking crazy. And I just can't get over how I broke every step that I damn well own so far out this morning. I brought 3 of them here with me, and I've broken all 3 of them. So today's not going overly fantastic. But we're gonna try to get this thing into the show tomorrow. It's definitely not doing well today, I'll tell you that. But I did look super cool driving off the trailer and breaking an axle. So we're gonna try to work on this and I'll give you guys an update. But this is before we've even gone for tech. And I've already had 4 tech officials come over to this car and ask me if I brought torches. So that's really not a good sign. It's not really a good sign. Well guys, it's like 10:30 at night. The sun has gone down. We don't have flashlights. We've pretty much done everything that we can do. We got the car back together. We're back together. I would like to do a lot more, but my limited amount of tools is kind of hindering me. But saying that, there's still, like, we haven't even unpacked inside of here. Still have batteries and come-alongs and water and gasoline, seat belts, fire extinguisher dust. I still got a lot of stuff to do. I don't even have my barbecue set up. It is like hungry time. I tried eating your guys' Pop-Tarts from Target. They suck. They don't taste anything like when I was a kid. Oh, so much more to do. We need to go get cleaned up and go from there. So hopefully you guys liked my struggles on the first night. We haven't even gone for tech and we've had this many issues. Probably a short video, but thanks guys for watching, and I'll try to record tech tomorrow. Something tells me I should bring some lube because I'm gonna need it. Take care, guys.